Hello friends, my topic is why Thomas Edison was rich and famous. There is more said rich mom as he continued with Edison's story. Rich mom continued explaining that Edison soon bored of his business on the train and began learning how to send and receive Morse code so he could get a job as a telegraph operator. Soon Edison was one of the best telegraph operators around and he traveled from city to city using his telegraph operator skills. It was what he learned from being a young entrepreneur and telegraph operator that gave him the edge as a business person and an investor of the light bulb. How did being a telegraph operator help him become a better businessman? I asked, now confused. What does this story have to do with me becoming rich? Give me time to explain, said Rich Mom. You see, Thomas Edison was more than just an inventor. As a young boy, he became a business owner. That is why he became very rich and famous. Rather than go to school, he was gaining the business skills required for success in the real world. You asked me why the rich get rich, didn't you? Yes, I replied, nodding and feeling a little embarrassed for interrupting my rich mom. What made him famous relative to the light bulb was his past experience as a business person and a telegraph operator. Rich Dad said, being a telegraph operator, he knew that what made the inventor of the telegraph so successful was because it was a business system, a system of lines, phones, skilled people, and relay stations. As a young man, Thomas Edison understood the power of a system. I jumped in. You mean because he was a business person, he realized how important the system was? The system was more important than the invention. Rich mom nodded. You see, most people go to school to learn to be an employee of a system. So many fail to see big picture. Most only see the value of their job because that is all they are trained to see. So they see the trees and not the forest. So most people work for the system rather than own the system. I added, nodding in agreement. Rich mom said, all they see in invention or the product but not the system. Most people fail to see what really makes the rich rich. So how does this apply to Thomas Edison and the electric light bulb? I asked what made the light bulb powerful was not the light bulb, was the system of electrical lines and relay stations that powered the light bulb, said Rich Mom. What made Thomas Edison rich and famous was they could see the big picture while other people only saw the light bulb. And he could see the big picture because of his experience on the train and his experience as a telegraph operator. I replied. Rich mom nodded. Another word for system is network. If you really want to learn how to be a rich, you must begin to know and understand the power found in networks. The richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else is trained to look for work. I again repeat, the richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else is trained to look for work. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please push subscribe button, like, comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you soon on next tutorials.